Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast, having the right diagnostic tool can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best car OBD2 scanners you can get in 2025. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Launch X431 Car OBD2 Scanner. The Launch X431 Car OBD2 Scanner is a powerful diagnostic tool designed to make vehicle troubleshooting faster and more efficient. Equipped with a 4-system diagnostic capability, this scanner allows users to quickly scan key vehicle systems and identify potential problems with ease. The latest version, CRP123E v2.0, enhances the analysis process by providing more accurate and comprehensive diagnostic information, helping both professionals and car owners pinpoint issues effectively. This scanner supports full 10 OBDI functions, which means it can perform a wide range of essential diagnostic tasks. Users can read diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle's onboard computer to understand what might be causing engine or system malfunctions. It also enables resetting codes, allowing the scanner to clear error alerts once issues are addressed. Additionally, the tool can turn off the malfunction indicator lamp, commonly known as the check engine light, after repairs are made. The Launch X431 offers an intuitive interface that simplifies the scanning and troubleshooting process, making it accessible even for users without deep technical knowledge. By providing detailed and quick insights into the vehicle's health, this OBD2 scanner helps users stay informed about their car's condition and maintain it properly. With its comprehensive diagnostic functions and updated software, the Launch X431 Car OBD2 Scanner serves as an essential device for car maintenance, offering reliable assistance in identifying and resolving automotive problems efficiently. Coming in at number 4, the Ancel DS100 Car OBD2 Scanner. The Ancel DS100 Car OBD2 Scanner represents a new generation of advanced diagnostic tools designed for professional mechanics and auto repair shops. Developed by Ancel, this modular high-end device combines powerful hardware with fully updated software to deliver extensive vehicle coverage and a wide range of professional diagnostic capabilities. Equipped to handle 4 major vehicle systems, the DS100 offers comprehensive diagnostic functions, including reading and clearing fault codes, accessing ECU identification information, and real-time data stream monitoring. This functionality allows technicians to quickly identify issues and perform thorough repairs. Modern engines rely on complex feedback systems involving various sensors measuring intake air temperature, manifold pressure, coolant temperature, crankshaft and camshaft positions, oil and fuel pressures, and vehicle speed. The Ancel DS100 scanner facilitates faster and more accurate diagnostics by providing immediate access to standard OBD2 data as well as manufacturer-specific extended information related to engine performance, fuel management, and emission controls. In addition to engine diagnostics, the DS100 is capable of monitoring and troubleshooting critical braking systems, including ABS. With braking technology becoming increasingly sophisticated through the integration of multiple sensors and actuators, the scanner enables effective diagnosis to ensure braking repairs are both safe and complete. Supporting multiple languages and offering lifetime free software updates through online connectivity, the Ancel DS100 is designed to stay current with evolving automotive technology. This makes it a reliable, versatile tool for all-around vehicle diagnostics and repair work in professional settings. At number 3, we have the Foxwell GT60 Car OBD2 Scanner. The Foxwell GT60 Car OBD2 Scanner represents the latest advancement in vehicle diagnostic technology, designed to deliver comprehensive and efficient car system analysis. This newest version features wireless diagnostics and an added active test function, enhancing the ease and depth of vehicle troubleshooting. Built on a robust Android platform with a powerful 4-core processor, the GT60 quickly scans full vehicle systems, making it an ideal tool for both professional workshops and car enthusiasts. Equipped with a large 7-inch touchscreen and a substantial 5,000 mAh battery, the GT60 offers smooth operation and portability. Its upgraded 2 plus 64 GB memory supports faster performance and ample storage for vehicle data. Additionally, users benefit from free lifetime online updates and technical support, ensuring the scanner stays current with the latest automotive technologies. The scanner supports OE-level diagnostics across more than 80 car brands, including specialized support for Brazil, GM, Fiat, and Volkswagen vehicles. With warehouses in multiple countries like Brazil, Czech Republic, Germany, Australia, the US, and Russia, the GT60 ensures fast delivery without customs complications. The GT60's diagnostic coverage extends to all controlled modules of a vehicle engine: airbags, ABS, transmission, brakes, alarm, keyless entry, TPMS, steering, wheels, and fuel systems. It also offers over 24 reset service functions such as oil reset, electronic parking brake, EPB, air fuel adjustment, DPF regeneration, throttle body alignment, and battery configuration. The scanner automatically reads the vehicle's VIN for quick setup and provides live data monitoring, freeze-frame data, and graphical displays to assist in precise problem diagnosis. Whether used by professional mechanics or beginners, the Foxwell GT60 delivers reliable and thorough diagnostics with user-friendly operation. It is engineered to handle nearly every automotive repair scenario efficiently, providing valuable insights and maintenance capabilities to keep vehicles running smoothly. Next up at number 2 is the Otofix D1 Lite Car OBD2 Scanner. The Otofix D1 Lite Car OBD2 Scanner is a cutting-edge automotive diagnostic tool designed to meet the needs of both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. Featuring an upgraded V1 Bluetooth 5.0 connector, this scanner supports advanced communication protocols such as CAN-FD and DOIP, enabling compatibility with a broad range of vehicles worldwide. It works seamlessly with popular models like the GM Cavalier, Trax Encore, Volvo, Land Rover, Jaguar, and even luxury brands including Maserati, Ferrari, and Mercedes. Notably, it offers the ability to bypass Renault security and supports auto-auth registration for 2018 plus FCA SGW equipped cars. One of the standout features of the D1 Lite is its bidirectional control capability, typically valued at over $300. This function allows users to send commands directly to the vehicle's ECU, enabling the testing and activation of components such as ABS, windows, doors, valves, wipers, and headlights. This direct control helps reduce diagnostic time and minimizes repair costs by allowing users to pinpoint faults more efficiently. The scanner supports more than 38 reset and maintenance functions, making it highly versatile for repair workshops. It covers essential tasks like oil resets, TPMS resets, injector coating, suspension calibration, and throttle matching. These continuously updated features ensure that the device remains compatible with the latest vehicle models and technologies, helping repair businesses maintain a competitive edge. Beyond basic diagnostics, the Otofix D1 Lite performs comprehensive OE-level checks across all major systems, including engine, transmission, airbags, ABS, ESP, TPMS, immobilizer, gateway, steering, radio, and air conditioning. It provides accurate fault code reading and clearing, data stream monitoring, and ECU version information, all accessible with a simple interface. This depth of diagnostics makes the D1 Lite a powerful tool for in-depth vehicle analysis, offering detailed insights into system health and operational status. Overall, the Otofix D1 Lite combines advanced technology, extensive vehicle compatibility, and a wide range of diagnostic and maintenance functions into a compact, user-friendly device, empowering users to achieve professional-level diagnostics and repairs with ease. Finally, at number 1, we have the Thinktool Mini 2 Car OBD2 Scanner. The Thinktool Mini 2 Car OBD2 Scanner is a powerful diagnostic device designed to provide comprehensive vehicle system analysis with lifetime free updates for all car models. It connects seamlessly to the electronic control system of a vehicle, enabling detailed diagnostics across multiple systems including ABS, SRS, engine, transmission, brakes, emission, fuel, lighting, and wipers. This broad compatibility allows users to access trouble and event codes as well as live data, helping in the identification and resolution of various vehicle issues. One of the standout features of the Thinktool Mini 2 is its BMS battery reset capability. When a vehicle's battery management system detects a faulty battery, the fault code is stored in the ECU. After replacing the battery, the BMS reset function clears this code and rematches the new battery to the system, ensuring accurate monitoring and preventing false error messages. The scanner also supports diesel particulate filter regeneration. Over time, particles accumulate in the DPF, which can reduce engine power and fuel efficiency. The device helps initiate the regeneration process to clear the filter, maintaining optimal engine performance. Additionally, the Thinktool Mini 2 offers SAS steering angle sensor reset functionality. After repairs or part replacements involving the steering system, this feature recalibrates the steering angle sensor to ensure precise handling and safety. For security and convenience, the scanner includes MO key matching. This function is necessary when replacing critical components like the ignition switch, instrument panel, engine control unit, or remote control battery. It allows seamless synchronization between these components and the vehicle's immobilizer system, ensuring proper key recognition and vehicle security. Overall, the Thinktool Mini 2 Car OBD2 Scanner is an all-in-one diagnostic tool suited for professional mechanics and car enthusiasts who require thorough vehicle diagnostics and advanced system reset functions.